Hey guys, I'm Chris from Off Leash Canine. This is Lola. And a lot of you guys have this misconception, I think, that because we use e-collars to train, that we don't use other methods in conjunction with, and that's not even close to the case. Lola is very fearful and skittish of men, despite the fact that she's not showing that right now because I have a special thing that she wants, right? A piece of hot dog. So I know, I see you too. I'm a big proponent of scale-based, right? If she's had more negative experiences with men than she has positive, then of course she's going to be fearful of men. You can see her backing away just when I move my hands, right? So what I'm doing is I'm changing that scale, right? When she comes over to me and she sniffs my fingers, I'll give her another piece of hot dog. And all we're doing is building positive experiences with me. A little bit ago she was growling, wouldn't come near me. So you can see, right, the standoffishness. Okay. So I just let her out of the kennel, and I've been sitting here, and you can see she's getting better and better. I know, I see ya. She's engaging with me, right? So we'll try a little bit of a pet. She's a little fearful, that's fine. You want this? Good girl, Lola. Yes, good girl. You want some more? Come on, over here. Make her cross my body a little bit, right? Good girl. Can I pet you? Good girl, come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes, good girl. Yes, good girl. Oh, you like them, huh? Oh. So the ears are coming up a little bit. She's attentive. Now I'm going to hold it in my hand a little bit and make her work for it. Good girl, I know. Good babies. Can I pet? Come here. It's okay. I'm not going to hurt you. Good girl. Come here. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Yes, good girl. Yes, good girl. Good. You want that? You want some more? So just because we e-collar train, right, doesn't mean that we don't use other methods to help us train the pups. We keep everything very positive, tons of praise. They're working basically for the praise that we give them. You can see she's very interested in that hot dog, right? So she's willing to, good girl, she's willing to trust me a little bit more because I have something that she wants, right? And that's how we work with fearful dogs. We don't browbeat them into submission or anything like that, like I've heard some different people suggest. That's not the case at all. You know, with fearful pups like this, when we accept them into our board and train programs, we accept them knowing that they may not be, you know, the rock star, off-leash, non-reactive pups. She may be fearful of them for quite some time. But what we're doing is giving them the foundation to be able to move on from here and to hopefully be able to take that scale that's been very negative, right, and shift it the other way to make it positive. But it takes some work and it takes some time. So as long as, it's okay, come here. I'm not gonna hurt you. That's it. Good girl, come here. Come here, it's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. Yeah. And it's men with Lola. When Courtney works with Lola, she's fine, right? So what Courtney's doing is Courtney works with the obedience side of Lola, right? And I'm just working with the fearfulness of men. You can see I'm letting her close to me. Obviously, it's calculated risk. It's not crazy risk. I'm not trying to push a limit or get bit. That does happen sometimes. But with Lola, right, she wants this hot dog really bad, so I'm making her work for it. I'm making her close her boundaries in on me. I'm making her pay attention to me. So it's a very slow process sometimes, but we're dedicated to making our puppies better, 110%. What do you think? Think you earned it? Good girl. Good girl. Yes, good girl. And a lot of it's about reading body language, right? A lot of it's about understanding how far you can push, and then understanding when you need to back off. That's a big part of the training that we do. So I think we have a great team. Good girl, Lola. Yes, good girl. And I look forward to you seeing Lola's progress.
Yeah, good babies. Good babies.
I know. Who's it? Who barking? Who is it? Huh? Good job, Lola. Yes. Good. Good girl, yeah. Good girl. Come here, Lola. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Good job, Lola. Yeah. Good girl. Hi, sweet babies. Yeah. You're such a pretty baby. Yes. Yes, you are. Oh. Such a pretty baby. It's all about building trust, guys. That's the big thing, is building trust and then control. So with pups like Lola, you have to go slow.